Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Dart programming language course. I hope you all are fine. Our previous tutorial was about types of inheritance. Now in today's tutorial we are going to discuss what is super keyword. Super is used to refer to the parent class. It is used to call the parent class properties and methods. Let me open VS Code and show you practically. First of all, let me create a class laptop, and it has, for example, function show void show, and let me print here this is a laptop, and let me create its child here, for example its child MacBook, and it extends laptop like this. Now for example it also has same function show, and it print this is a MacBook like this. Now let me create object of class MacBook like this. Now if I call MacBook dot show, now you can see here our both classes, our child class and parent class, both have function show with same name. Then what will happen if I call show function? Let me run the program. You can see it only call this function. It is printing this is a MacBook. It call only the function inside our child, inside MacBook. But if we want to call our show function inside parent, then what we can do? We can call this function inside here with super keyword super dot show like this. Now if I run my program, you will see it will print this is a laptop. You can see it is printing this is a laptop, this is a MacBook. So the super keyword is used to call the variables and functions of parent class. For example, it has a variable string name, and our MacBook also has a same name variable like this. Then how we can access name variable? If I simply type here name, you can see there is only one variable with name. You can see this variable is here. Now it will access this variable because both variables have same name inside parent and child. Now if we want to call our parent class a variable, we can use super keyword super dot name. You can see we can access it here like this, and we can give it any name. For example, MacBook 10, for example. This is just an example, and here we can print name. This is dollar sign super dot name like this. Now if I call it, you will see here, you can see it is printing this is a MacBook 10. So this is the use of super keyword. Super keyword is very important when our parent and child classes both have variables or functions with same name. Then we can call parent class variables or functions with super keyword. We already discussed another use of super in our previous tutorial. Let me show you. Here let me create a constructor in both classes, laptop, and MacBook also has a constructor MacBook like this. Let me remove it like this. Now here for example I have model variable, and inside MacBook there is name company. Now while creating MacBook object, here I will pass two values. Let me use it here. For company I can simply write this dot company. So this value will directly be assigned to this variable. And now we need to pass the value of model here. Let me pass it string model. We don't need to write body here. We can remove because we don't need. Now we need to pass our model value into our laptop constructor. Here let me write this dot model like this, and we don't need brackets here. Now you can see this is showing error because now we need to pass value inside laptop constructor. So here we can pass by using super keyword. We already discussed it. Super, and here we can pass model like this. So this is the use of super keyword. Now here if I hover it, you can see it is saying we need to pass two values, one for company and another for model. Let me pass it. For example, our model is XYZ and company, for example, Apple, like this. Now here we can create function to print this values. We can name it as void display, and here we can write print company dollar sign company and model dollar sign model like this. And simply we can call it MacBook object dot display like this. Now if I run it, now you can see it is printing. So this is the use of super keyword. So kindly practice this and search about super keyword on Google. You will see different examples. Maybe you will see more better examples on internet, and practice this. And if you face any issue, you can ask me. You can type in comment box or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. Okay, good luck.